I. I. Hi guys, this is a part 2. So yeah. Oh my god. So the next fidget. I don't know if you guys see these, but yeah. So squishy! I know, but you should. Before we show you the others, please subscribe and click the notifications whenever we post a new video. And ring that when the bell is like that. It's not right. Turn it like this. Ding, 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 ding. Ah! Okay. And then when the subscribe is gray. Oh, when the subscribe is red, that's not right. When it's gray, that's always the way. I'll show you the next one. Next one is this unicorn squishy. So look at the eye. Look at this eye. The other eye was not there left lying. I don't know why. But we put tape around it so it won't break because this is my favorite squishy, I think. Yeah. Squish. Ow. Squish, squish. Oh my god, guys. Oh, this is the next one. The next one is this squishy. Homemade squishy. Now I'll show you the next one. The next one is this. It's called a snapper. This is how it works. So there's like 2 suction cups and then they're together and then you like squeeze it. Wait, I will do it very hard. Okay, guys, didn't hear it. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Oh my god. That's how it works. Now let's do the next one. There's just plastic in there. And the next one is this. Another stress ball from part 1. Yeah. And then the next one is a Rubik's Cube. Oh my god. There we go. I'm gonna mix it up first. Oh my god, it's mixed up. Let's do this. I never solved a Rubik's Cube before, but let's try. Oh my god.
Except maybe he's tummy rumbling. Time for dinner. Claire? Claire? Claire! Ah, well, she has my sandwich ready by now.
Oh gosh. Can you solve this?
Hello?
I cannot.
Hello.
Where are you? I'm waiting for my crustless sandwich.
Mr. Mazzoni, hi. I'm just delivering those dinosaurs you wanted for your ultra secret exhibit.
Yes.
Later. I'll download the app.
Almost. I think I see it now.
That's my go-getter. Well done. When you get back, could you make me a crustless sandwich?
Sure.
Great! I want you to open the exhibit tonight. Call me as soon as
This
you get
next
there.
fidget. Next fidget's this. This is a Skittles squishy. I love Skittles. I also want the jumbo ones. Next one is this. This is a partner of, oh my god, this. You can like go on there.
What is it? Which do you think is a better password? Dino Dude or Billionaire Boy?
Oh,
Guys,
That's what I thought too.
we can't solve this. So I mixed up and download an app because I'm not a pro.
No clue why.
oh, I'm a bit overqualified.
Great! So you can have it done before I get back. Good man. Come on, everybody. Dr. Wu is making cookies.
Oh my god, guys. Next one is this. Another stress ball. Next one. Ooh, this is a simple dimple. I don't know if you guys see this. And that's how it's like a puppet. It's like a dimple.
Extra non-crispy, just the way you like it.
Yep.
So good you can lick your fingers
See for
in
part 3. Bye.